Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing chest expansion on the reformer. So chest expansion on the reformer is an awesome exercise, but it is a little scary for most people, so this is not where you would learn it. I would definitely learn it on the armchair or the Cadillac before I would do it here. I have 2 heavy springs on. I have seen people do it with 1, so if you need to do that, but it's really more about connecting to your upper back than how far your arms go, so just keep that in mind. You can do it with your feet hooked off the back. For me, that makes this a really hard exercise because, as you can see, my straps are quite short because this is an 80-inch reformer. So I really like to do and teach my chest expansion here at the shoulder blocks. Also, because now you have to really push your feet down. You can't just pull on them and perhaps cheat a little bit. Couple things to keep in mind. A lot of people like to stick their booty out. They're like, okay, I'm doing it. Or they like to stick their lower back forward. Okay, my hips are over my knees. So instead, lift your low abs up. It's going to feel a little tucked to you. It's probably not, just a neutral pelvis. And then get your shoulders over your hips that way. Then you pull your arms back and you look both ways. And you're stretching your neck when you look. And you're trying really hard not to pull from your triceps. It's really easy to do. So just be mindful of how much you're forcing it from your triceps and how much you're getting into your mid-back, right? Then another thing you can do is you can also hold with just your fingertips and pull. And for me, that really forces me to use my pinky and to get more into my upper back, right? You can also think of these straps more as like parallel bars. You're reaching down and into them to pull them back, but just be mindful of what is happening with your torso. I love to make it a leg exercise. So my legs are reaching down and pulling towards each other, even though they're apart. Do 2 to 4 sets of those, and then you can go into your thigh stretch, right? Keeping your whole upper back really nice and warm. I'm Lesley Logan. For any questions or comments, put them in the boxes below, and I will see you next time.